So guys, it is here. It's cooked, so I wanna flip it now. Yay! So what's up, my lovely people? So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to hit the subscription button below. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to cook the perfect biryani. So guys, you know this channel is all about cooking, travel, and everything that happens around, okay, in the day-to-day life. So today we are in the kitchen. So welcome. If you're new here, my name is Caroline Momboy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, stay tuned until to the end of my video. So guys, my onions are ready. Here are my onions, they're ready. I'm just going to go ahead and put on the fire. Put on the fire or lit the fire. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna lit it first. And we're going to start by frying the onions. So guys, I'm gonna show you quickly what we need. We need chicken. This is 1.5 chicken because I'm using a lot of rice. I'm using like 3 cups of rice. So we have our rice here. I usually prefer using potatoes fried. I'll fry them later for you guys, you're gonna see. And I'm gonna be using this Chicken Biryani, the Shan from Shan. So I'm gonna use this spice, and I have my yogurt. It's the 7 fresh yogurt. I'm not gonna use all this. This is very little, so I'm gonna add some from there. And I have my turmeric powder, and over here I have my ginger and garlic paste. I make them freshly made. I make myself. So for the rice, we're gonna need these ones. We have the cardamom, we have the cinnamon, we have the bay leaves, black pepper, and the cloves. We're gonna boil the rice, half cook the rice with those ones. Okay guys, so we're gonna start by frying our onions over here guys. So we're gonna fry them with you, and I'm gonna show you how we do it. So as we wait guys, let me do something else. Guys, we are almost there. It's almost turning brown, so golden brown. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know what's up with my camera. Yeah, it's wax better. So almost turning golden. So guys, my onions are almost ready, because as you can see, it's turning golden brown. But I'm gonna take out some because it's like all of them is done, or most of them. So I'm just gonna take some out. I'll save it for later. You can see how it is. And I'll put my garlic paste and onion paste so that it can cook. Guys, I don't usually measure. The fact that I know the amount of rice and chicken I'm using, so I know how much I'm going to use. So yeah, my onion is ready, very ready. So oh my god, and the smell is so nice, so nice. So we're gonna give it a little time for the garlic and the ginger to cook. As I take out my potatoes over here, they are already done. So we're gonna use them like this. Oops, almost forgot them. Guys, sometimes I find it so difficult vlogging myself because of my camera. I don't know, because each and every person has a type of way they want their videos to be like. So, and when someone holds it for you, it's not the same, you know. Yeah, I think now it's ready, so I'm gonna put my chicken. We have our chicken already washed, so 1.5 chicken, and I'm gonna cook it. So we're gonna stir it in until it mixes with the onions. Guys, the smell is so nice. I wish I did cut this chicken a little bit smaller, because I cut it big pieces, but it's okay. Yeah, we're gonna give it some onions. So this is how it looks like, guys. And we're going to add our spices. I have them here, guys. I have the 7 spice, the Shan one. It's mixed up, so I added a little bit of fresh coriander. I hope you can see, because I don't have fresh coriander, so I'm gonna just use this one. So I'll just put it in and mix with the chicken so that it can blend with the chicken nicely, so that the chicken will absorb the flavor of the spices. So, and I'm gonna give it a little mix well. And give the chicken some minutes to cook, like 5 to 10 minutes or something, and then we can go ahead and put our yogurts and yeah, to cook the chicken, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Oh my god, I wish I cut it a little bit smaller, because it's hard to stir and my pot is so small. We're doing damages over here. This is our chicken, guys, with the spices. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a few minutes for everything to blend. Don't forget to put salt in your chicken. So I'm going to cover it and give some minutes. Guys, I think it's time now to make our own rice. Yeah, it's our own. So in a pot I put some salt, because we're gonna have cooked this rice. I already washed it, and we're gonna add in our ingredients, our spices, whole spices for the rice. I use whole spices, so I'm gonna just put the spices and then add in my rice over here. Oops, oh my god, I need to scrap this out. I find it so hard making the video alone, because sometimes I need a little help. Yeah. So guys, this is it, and I'm gonna give it some few minutes as I check it. I will half cook, and then after you half cook it, we strain the water, the remaining water, because we're gonna use in the chicken. So, but some people prefer cooking the meat and the sauce and the rice separately, but I don't prefer that way. I prefer cooking it all together. So guys, the chicken looks like this. I hope you can see. Oops, too much steam. It looks like that, and it's ready. So I will add in my yogurt. Hold this one for me, please. So guys, we're gonna put the yogurt. I usually don't measure, as long as I know the amount I'm using. So but not too much, guys. You don't need to put too much yogurt, because if you put too much yogurt, then it's gonna be So that's it, guys, and I'm gonna stir in. So guys, we have something like this now. This is the product that we're gonna use in the rice. We're gonna give it a few minutes for the yogurt to mix in with the chicken and the flavor and everything. So we'll give it a few minutes. Rice with the carrots and the raisins. Raisins is a must. We mix it with it, and then we'll go ahead and mix with the sauce. So guys, here we have our biryani. So we're going to just cover it. We're going to cover it with a foil and give it some mix. So guys, stay tuned until we flip it.